Hey everyone, welcome to the Nagios Community Highlights. We are so excited to see the Nagios community sharing their monitoring knowledge and in so many languages. All over the world, you've been busy making more tutorials than ever.
Morning YouTubers, so here it's about 8 a.m.
First up, Roel Van de Paar made a number of English language videos covering email alerting, Nagios config files, installing check SNMP, and other topics.
Fala pessoal, beleza? Meu nome é Alex, eu sou estudante.
Alex Lady Marketing Digital brought us a great Portuguese language video on Nagios XI, the enterprise version of Nagios Core. Oscar Omar Posada Sanchez demonstrates in Spanish how to deploy the XI virtual machine on VirtualBox Linux so you can run XI from Windows, Linux, or Mac OS.
Y aquí en LS pues no les debería aparecer nada.
Saul Isolde dove into the Nagios Core command line to configure switches. Happy Ghost showed how to install and configure Nagios Core on CentOS 7.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pada video kali ini kita
Walid Umar also made a quick video on installing Core in Indonesian.
Hello, my name is Sanjay. In this session, we will see how to monitor TCU-UDP ports with Nagios.
SimplyLearn Now is back with more videos in their power-packed Nagios XI playlist covering managing host groups, adding, modifying services and hosts manually, TCP-UDP monitoring, and FTP server monitoring.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है अभिमन्यु.
Abhimanyu Gautam made a series of Nagios XI tutorials in Hindi covering Nagios XI download and installation, Core Configuration Manager, the admin page, notification triggers, SNMP, and dashboards.
Hello everyone, welcome to this session on Nagios.
IntelliPad is back with a new Nagios presentation. DevOps School promoted their Nagios training and why you need to learn this powerful monitoring tool, and Christian Augusto Romero Goyzueta released a bilingual set of tutorials on how to monitor Windows machines.
Benvenuti a un nuovo video di Sistemista Italiano, buongiorno a tutti, un periodo in cui facciamo...
We're excited to add our first Italian Nagios video from Sistemista Italiano, with an explanation of how to install and administer Nagios and monitor servers and devices. Over on the official Nagios YouTube channel, I showed how to monitor switches and routers with XI, upload and manage MIBs, and use the newly updated SNMP trap interface in XI. Follow our channel to get the latest tutorials and special company videos like the ones we made highlighting our team members, the one and only Allison Meyer, and the team also made a video about me and my motivations for why I do what I do. Well everyone, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel and all these users below. Thanks to the Nagios community for publishing all the great content this summer. Keep it up, and we'll see you soon.